my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Live.Love.Love.Lashes unicorn box, which I have right here. They did give this to me, so I did not purchase it with my own money, but I am affiliated with them. I do have a discount code if you guys are wanting to purchase from them. They are a local brand here in Hawaii, so during the pandemic I really wanted to support local brands, and especially ones that are from my hometown. So if you guys are always curious about the lashes that I use, whether they're in my videos or on my Instagram posts, they're always Live.Laugh.Love.Lashes. I do have a discount code, like I mentioned, it is cupcakes15. It'll save you a little bit of money. And also in this video I'll be showing you guys a little easy basic how to apply false lashes. I know back in the day I did not know what the hell I was doing. I was just plopping them on my eyes and just hoping for the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to apply false lashes right now. So this is in the style The Comeback, and this is the style that I'll be showing you guys how to apply to your eye. So before applying any false lashes, you do want to prep your natural lashes for them. And my tip is to curl your lashes first and then apply your favorite mascara beforehand. I know a lot of people like applying their mascara after they have the false lashes applied, but in my opinion they get a little bit too gunky, and I don't like having the lashes, the false lashes, being applied with mascara. That's just me. So I like to apply my mascara and curl them before applying false lashes. So I already prepped my eyes. I did have a little bit of eyeshadow in my crease, but that's basically it. So the first step I like to do is grab my favorite eyelash curler. This one is actually from e.l.f. and it's super inexpensive. And you're just gonna curl your lashes. And then you're gonna do both sides, of course. So after you go ahead and curl your lashes, I'm going to be applying my favorite mascara. Right now I've been using the e.l.f. Lash It Out Volumizing Mascara. My lashes isn't great at all. I wish I had really long full lashes, but you know, we're not all blessed like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. The next step you're going to want to go ahead and do is align your lash line with your favorite eyeliner. You could either use the color black or brown. Lately I've been really in the mood to use brown eyeliners. It's a little bit more natural looking, even though the lashes I chose is a little bit more dramatic. But this just helps the lash band and your real lashes look more seamless. And what I like to do that I find easiest is just kind of run it above. It adds just a little bit of color up there and it'll help blend it in. So lining your lash line just helps to make it look a little bit more fuller, and then in the long run it'll help blend the lash band with your real lashes, because we don't want it to look that noticeable that we're wearing fake lashes, even though, I mean, come on, we know the deal. Alrighty guys, so the next step you're going to want to do is make sure that the lashes actually fit your eyes. So all you want to do is simply peel the lashes from the container or the packaging. Be careful, because I've ruined a lot of lashes back in the day just like ripping it off, but just be careful of that. And then sometimes for certain lash brands the band can be very stiff. I know Eylure was one of them, but our lashes isn't stiff at all. They're pretty flexible enough to where even beginners can apply them easily. And then before even applying any glue, you want to measure the lashes to your eyes and see if you need to trim it or not. So what I like to do is just plop it on the top, and then you kind of get an idea if you need to trim it or not. So these actually look fine, so I'm not going to be trimming them. But if you do need to trim them, I advise you guys to trim from the outside, not the inner corner. So if you guys purchase lashes from us and you notice that they may be too long or too big for you, like the lash band part, and you need to trim it to fit your eyes, cut them from the outer corner, not the inner corner. So next step, of course, is going to be applying your favorite lash glue. I've been using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Alloy. And I like this one because it comes with a brush tip applicator, and all you want to do is apply a thin line on the band. You don't want to add too much. I noticed for me, my lashes tend to pop from the corners, so I add a little bit more on the corners just to kind of help prevent any of that lifting. And the trick to making sure that your lashes is more easily applied is to make sure that it's tacky. You don't want to go ahead and apply the glue to your band and then plop it right onto your eyes, because you need the glue to be tacky in order for it to stick to your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and let this get tacky for a little bit. If you guys are curious, this is the amount of glue that I applied on my lash band. So now we're going to go ahead and apply the lashes. This I'm going to go ahead and apply it with a tweezer. And the next I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another tool that's in the unicorn box that could help you apply your lashes a little bit easier as well. So you would want to make sure that you get it as close to the lash line as possible. And I like to apply the middle first, and then I'll work on the outer corners, and then the inner corners. And then I like to just use my hands or my fingers and push the lash band to my eyelids. Alrighty, so we have one eye done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the other eye. Alrighty guys, so this is the little tool that I mentioned earlier that's inside the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this tool that comes with the kit to apply the lashes. And I never used this kind of tool before. I'm just really used to using tweezers, but if you guys are wanting to try it out, you can just go ahead and plop it again, just like how I did the first one. And then I'm going to go ahead and use it to adjust to my eye. That was actually quite simple. That was actually really easy. And then it's on. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what you can get inside the unicorn box. So when you get it, I'm not going to show the top because that's where my address is. So when you get it, of course I already opened it. I already opened it on my Instagram, so if you guys are not following me there, go ahead, click the link down below. But it comes with a bunch of goodies. So it came with 1, 2, 3, 4. It came with 5 lashes and a little lash tool, which you guys seen in the demo part. And the lashes that I have on my eyes is in the style The Comeback, which is one of my favorites from their brand. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It came with like a little bit of the fun little decorations right here, like holographic, which is super cool. And so the other 4 lashes that it came with, so this is in the style Lash Mama. This is in the style Unisparkle, which you guys have seen on my channel. I've worn this one before. This one is in the style Overtime, really long and dramatic. And this is in the style Swirl. In the box, it also came with some holographic stickers, which is a little unicorn, and it says Live.Laugh.Love.Lashes. Super cute. I might put this on my flask. And it also came with their little business card. Alright guys, so I hope you guys found that video helpful and also enjoyed the little how-to portion of how to go ahead and apply false lashes. I tried to make it as simple as possible but still kind of get to that point. And I hope you guys also enjoyed the little try-on part of each lash style, so how they look like on me. You guys kind of get an idea of how they might look like on you. I know everyone's eye shape is a little bit different, but hopefully you guys would have a better idea how they look like besides of just seeing it in the box and online. I will also link in the iCards above as well as in the description box of the other videos that I've filmed doing little try-ons of their lashes. And if you guys ever want to go ahead and purchase from Live.Love.Lashes, go ahead and use my discount code Cupcakes15 to go ahead and save yourself a little bit of money. But again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any future video requests or any questions you guys might have that I did not cover in today's video. Hit that subscribe button so you guys are notified of future videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!